Hi, I'm Jennifer. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. This is something that so many of us have struggled with: fear of moving forward, fear of stepping out, fear of following our dreams, fear of what's going to happen tomorrow. And I want to ask you a question. What has the fear gotten you that faith, wisdom, and preparation could not have also gotten you? What has the fear done for you besides maybe raise your blood pressure? I want you to think about the fact that you've been through everything you've been through your life. You've been through situations that felt terrible, unimaginable, that you thought you couldn't make it through. You've been through things that you thought were the worst possible thing, and you are still standing. You are still here. How did the fear help? The answer is it didn't. But what did help you, and what does help you every single day, is courage. And courage is not feeling the fear. Courage is feeling the fear and doing it anyway. And what happens is that action kills fear. Wise action kills fear and gets you better results. And so if you are fearing something, it's a signal that says, A, I need more information. B, I need more support. C, I need more action. Simple. So use fear as a signal that you have to have more courage to get to where you're trying to go. And as you take the actions, the fear dies down. So I'll give you an example. For me, I went through a really, really rough period. So I had a pretty tough childhood, pretty tough adulthood. I've had to fight for everything I've gotten in my life so far, pretty much. There was a time where I needed to switch states because I just had to get away from the toxic environment and the family dynamics I had going on to be able to create a new life for myself and build and move forward in my life. It was scary because I didn't know where I was going to go. I didn't know where I was going to live or what I was going to do. I was switching careers and trying to figure all that out as a young adult. I just had to start putting one foot in front of the other. I had to start looking for places and talking to people and, eventually finding a way to drive down. I didn't even have a working car, so I had to rent a car one day, and I had to save up enough money to do that. And then I came and I drove to the neighborhood, and it was beautiful where I got this tiny little basement apartment, and that started the journey for me of changing my life completely. And so you don't know the amazing blessings, you don't know the powerful doors that are going to open up from you on the other side of just taking action. Small hinges swing big doors. And so as you take the time to start to open that hinge, open that door through action, right? Whatever it is for you, breaking it down in the smallest steps possible and just taking little steps of action every day through courage, you're going to see whole new doors of possibilities open up for you. We all have felt fear. We all have felt it, but fear is not real. What's real is your action. What's real is the steps you take. What's real is the confidence you build as you feel the fear and you build anyway. You connect anyway. You grow anyway. You reach out anyway. You decide, you act, and you become. Decide to take action anyway. Act, and then you become everything that you wanted to become. So I want to encourage you today. Don't let the fear stop you. Keep moving forward anyway, and you got this. See you in the next one.